To calculate best egg debt consolidation, start by gathering all your debt information, including credit card balances, loan amounts, and interest rates. Make a list of all your debts, including the balance, interest rate, and minimum payment for each. Next, determine how much you can afford to pay each month towards your debt. Consider your income, expenses, and other financial obligations to decide on a realistic amount. Best Egg offers personal loans with fixed interest rates and terms, which can help simplify your debt repayment process. Now, calculate the total amount you owe and the total interest you are currently paying on your debts. You can use a debt consolidation calculator or create a spreadsheet to help with this step. Compare the interest rates and terms of your current debts with the rates and terms offered by Best Egg. If you decide that a Best Egg debt consolidation loan is right for you, apply for the loan and wait for approval. Once approved, use the loan to pay off your high-interest debts and make one monthly payment to Best Egg. To get the most out of your Best Egg debt consolidation loan, make timely payments. Consider setting up automatic payments, and avoid taking on new debt during the repayment period. By following these steps and staying committed to your debt repayment plan, you can simplify your finances, reduce your interest rates, and become debt-free faster. Remember to review and adjust your debt repayment plan regularly to ensure you are on track to meet your financial goals. With discipline and the right strategy, you can successfully consolidate your debt with Best Egg and improve your overall financial health.